Hello, my name is Felice Camus. I worked on this real estate investment project and I will share my findings with you today. The customer is a real estate investment company and asks where to invest in Texas, specifically which zip codes would make the best profits, which time horizon would be better, 3 or 5 years, and what's the suggested amount to invest per unit. We will also discuss the risk percentages. We would like our client to make most profit out of these investments. I use the Zillow data set, which includes 22 years of monthly data for average real estate price in each zip code. The data is available from 1996 to 2018. The methodology I followed here, EDA for investigating the patterns for the best zip codes in US and as well as for Texas. I used ARIMA and Facebook profit model for modeling and forecasting. As a result of the filtering the data, modeling and forecasting, these zip codes came top 5 to invest in real estate in Texas. One is in University Park, a small city in Dallas metro area, and the rest 4 are in Austin metro area. Here you will see a forecasted percentage of the increase in 3 to 5 years for each zip codes, as well as the risk percentages. It forecasts that there will be an increase in 3 years with an 11 to 16%. Also, we consider 7 to 13% of risk depend on the zip codes. In 5 years, we see much better increase in price, changing 10 to 27% range. But also the model forecasts 12 to 24% risk in 5 years. However, I would suggest to go for 5 years despite the high risk because these zip codes are showing similar patterns with other high real estate markets in US and they are pretty promising. Let me explain. University Park is a unique city with 97% of the workforce employed in white-collar jobs. Such as corporate executive, PR professionals, architects, dentists, etc. So they're well above the national average. Median household income is over 200K. The population increased 8% since 2000. University Park home prices are not only among the most expensive in Texas, but all consistently ranks among the most expensive in America. It also has clearly upward trend since 2013. The increase is forecasted to be continued. Austin is the capital city of Texas. That's a positive effect on real estate market when you consider the highest and the most increasing area in US is the Washington, D.C. because of where the White House is. Austin's population increased 45% since 2000. The average household income is 67K, while Texas average is 56K. Austin has been one of the fastest growing cities in US, and Austin metro area has the fastest growing real estate market in Texas. Being a capital city is a plus. However, the real attraction in Texas is the fact that it is growing into the second Silicon Valley. All major high technology companies are moving Austin, including Google, Amazon, and Apple. It's already been called Silicon Hills for quite a while. On top of that, Austin metro area is also a heaven for hundreds of startups companies nowadays. Because of this massive technology migration to Austin last 10 years, the increasing trend in real estate market is expected to be long-term. Because we see the similar pattern with a technology and real estate market in San Francisco, California, which is the real Silicon Valley. It is now the second most expensive area in the whole US. The price changes in last 20 years and the forecasted change in next 5 years is represented in these graphs. You can see the similar upward trend in each of the zip codes here. So the longer investment horizon could be safe and rewarding for the company. When it comes to the investing amount, the historical data shows that below 500K, brings 6 times more profit. Considering the market is in this area already took off and started increasing, I would suggest 350,000 to 650,000 range would be the best amount to invest to get the most increase rate in 5 years. Thank you for listening. This is the end of my presentation. Please feel free to ask me any question about the details of this project now, or you may email me after all. Thank you.